Okay, now I want to show you how to get to that schedule planner. The first thing you want to do is go to our home page and then click class schedule. After you click class schedule, you're then going to go to the right side under quick links and click schedule planner. Now you're at the schedule planner. So you choose the campus. We're going to choose EVC, but also know that later, if you try to find a class at EVC and it's full or has a waiting list, then try San Jose City College and take the class there. All right. But we're going to do EVC. We're going to put in spring. And let's say the first thing you want to do, so you're recreating a schedule, is you're going to find my class because this is one you're in. Okay. So to create your schedule, you have to click these plus signs. This is when you're selecting a class. It's always going to tell you how many seats are left and how many seats total, or if there's a waiting list. Just as a rule, if you see more than 5 people in the waiting list, you probably should actually find a class that you can get in. But okay, so we're going to choose Caritha's class. All right, and let's say that you're also taking a Biology 21 class. Okay, if you notice that these classes are all online because there's no days, there's no time, and when it says Canvas, that means that all the work is going to go through Canvas. But we're going to go to Biology 21. Okay, but with biology, see there's a day, there's a time, and there's a room number. So that's how you know it's an on-campus course. So we're just generally recreating the schedule that you already have. So let's say that you're in this class. You already got in way before they started that wait list, okay? Click that. And so as you can see, we're putting the schedule down here together. And let's say you're also taking an English 1A class. English 1A. All right. And we're taking it with Elizabeth Kramer here. So again, you're just recreating the schedule that you have. I then want you to click print worksheet, and then you're going to upload this copy because you're going to submit it to me. So I'll know what courses you're taking, how many you're taking, what's online, and what you're going to actually be on the campus for. So you hit print worksheet, and you're going to save a copy of that because you're going to submit it to me. Then you're going to hit create day plan. And what the day plan is going to do for you is check it out. Tell you when you have to be on the campus and at what time and what days. Look at that. Then I also want you to save a copy of this, and you're going to send both the printed schedule and this schedule planner sheet right here to me. Then after you're done, you're going to go over the MyWeb schedule planner assignment, the rubric that tells you what I want. So I want you to complete both the print worksheet and the created day schedule. You're going to submit both as attachments. And then you're going to do a text entry as a cover letter where you're going to write in the number of units you're taking and then the hours required to study according to the time management formula. So again, you're going to attach 2 things and submit them in, and then you're going to do a text entry where you're going to tell me how many units you're taking and how many hours are required to study for them. All right, and that's going to be due Sunday. So make sure you get this done because it's going to let me know that you know how to use the schedule planner. All right. Thank you.